Good morning, little friend.
Good morning. Let's find something yummy today. Wow! Look at that berry!
It's mine. Ouch, my beak. Hey, wait for me. Oh no.
Delicious.
That was funny.
Next time we share!
Yay!
Friendship!
Let's build our home.
Yes! Teamwork makes it strong.
Oh, wow, look! An egg. It's beautiful. La la la, math is fun. Tweet, tweet, fun for everyone.
Bye-bye! See you soon!
Look, it's hatching.
Welcome to the world, little one.
Tweet, tweet. I can do it. I can fly.
Go on, little one. You are doing great.
Yay! You are flying.
Hooray for the baby bird!
We are a family now.
Friendship forever!